The best X670E motherboards. Best overall X670E motherboard, Asus ROG Crosshair X670E Hero. The ROG Crosshair X670E packs a rich VRM design to meet the grueling demands of the latest Ryzen processors. It features a teamed 18 plus 2110A stage power solution, giving it massive headroom, which paves the way for extraordinary overclocking potential. The power stages have low RDSON to lower switching and conduction losses, improving total thermal headroom. The strong VRM requires good cooling, for which an integrated heat pipe connects a VRM heatsink on the MOSFETs and chokes to the aluminum I/O cover and offers an increased surface area for heat dissipation. Between the power stages and the heatsink, a premium thermal pad is used to enhance heat transmission and lower VRM operating temperatures. Asus is also kind enough to offer a spare thermal pad in the product packaging for future maintenance and repair. Best high-end X670E motherboard, Gigabyte X670E Aorus Master. Gigabyte 670E Aorus Master features one of the best VRM designs ever built. It has a twin 16+2+2 digital VRM design with 105A smart power stages on an 8-layer 2X copper PCB. 16 V-core phases exploit the full potential of multi-core CPU performance, whereas 2 SoC phases are for CPU-integrated GPU performance and memory control, and the final 2 MISC lanes are there for a stable power supply to the CPU-featured PCIe lanes. VRM modules heat up more in extreme performance conditions as CPU power increases. The VRM heatsink is covered with nanocarbon to improve thermal radiation and hasten heat dissipation to counter this heat issue. Best overclocking X670E motherboard, MSI MEG X670E Godlike. The MEG X670E Godlike comprises a massive, black heatsink that boasts a dark mirror and time carving design in pale gold lighting. With the newest DDR5 memory, take a huge leap towards improving memory performance. The MEG X670E Godlike lets you put together 4 XDDR5 memory modules of up to 128 GB with a maximum frequency of 6600 plus MHz. The MEG X670E Godlike is prepared to provide top-tier memory performance thanks to the unique SMT welding process and MSI Memory Boost technology. The MEG X670E Godlike supports the newest and fastest PCIe 5.0 solution that can reach 128 GB per second of transfer bandwidth of an X16 interface for the latest and greatest graphics cards about to come to the market. On top of that, you can now experience next-generation gadgets without any compromises thanks to the steel armor design and server-grade PCB. Best Mini ITX X670E motherboard, Asus ROG STRIX X670EI Gaming Wi-Fi. The revolutionary design features of the ROG STRIX X670EI guarantee that you get the performance and functionality you need even while working inside the restricted space of a Mini ITX chassis. The I/O shield and M.2 heatsink design, together with the ROG STRIX logo, give the board a glossy appearance while having an overall matte black surface with hints of silver at some parts. The I/O shield is pre-mounted on the ROG STRIX X670EI for easier installation in a cleaner fit around the rear ports. Additionally, it has a PCIe 5.0 X16 port ready for any modern graphics card and 2 M.2 slots, one for PCIe 5.0 and the other for PCIe 4.0. The same heatsink cools the chipset and PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot. A 10-layer PCB design efficiently dissipates heat around the voltage regulators to increase overall system stability. Best Value X670E Motherboard, MSI MPG X670E Carbon. The MSI MPG X670E Carbon employs an RGB lighting setup and carbon black color scheme to showcase magnificent aesthetics, combining performance with a unique touch of style. The MSI MPG X670E Carbon allows you to install up to 4 high-speed SSDs, thanks to the 4X onboard M.2 slots, 2X of which support the latest and fastest PCIe 5.0 for ultimate transfer speeds while the other 2 support PCIe 4.0. On top of that, you also get 6X SATA connectors for much more storage capacity. Moreover, the user-friendly design of the MPG X670E Carbon allows you to install M.2 drives and Shield Frozer without the use of any screws, making the installation process a lot more convenient. Best White X670E Motherboard, Asus Prime X670E Pro Wi-Fi. Asus Prime X670E is one of the most unique-looking motherboards out there. It's not complete white per se, but it displays a sleek futuristic-looking design, with a silver-toned chipset cover and nameplate, while the rest of the board encapsulates in black. Asus Prime X670E Pro Wi-Fi offers a decent 14+2 VRM design with teamed power stages and combines the high and low side MOSFETs into packages rated for 70A, delivering efficiency, power, performance, and stability required for the latest AMD's 7000 processors. In addition to that, 8+8-pin Pro Cool power connectors supply 12 volts of steady power directly to the processors. Asus uses solid pins in each jack instead of hollow pin connectors that enable them to handle more currents. Thanks for watching. Check the video description for links to purchase any of these products.